Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Cinema Space 4K. This video is all about the unboxing and review of this new youth 4-port USB hub I bought from Amazon. So without wasting much time, let's unbox the product. As you can see, there is just this hub inside the package. I'm not expecting anything else, so that's okay. This is our USB Type-C to 4-port USB Type-A hub. The USB Type-C connector support USB 3 data transfer speeds and is well suited for laptops and most new smartphones. The casing of this connector and the hub is made out of solid aluminum, but the cable connecting both seems made of subpar quality material. You can see 3 USB 2.0 ports on one side. These can be used for anything that functions well within less than 480 megabits per second speed. The only USB 3 port on this hub is in the bottom side, and this is useful for connecting external hard drives, high-end smartphones, etc. I bought this hub from Amazon for 279 rupees and will link to buy it in the description below. I bought this hub because my laptop has only 2 USB Type-A ports and no Ethernet jacks. I absolutely hate this trend of mainstream laptops with limited number of ports. Now you might be thinking, why review an unbranded hub? Well my friends, sometimes hidden gems are found in the most unexpected places. First things first, let's talk about the design. This hub is made of entirely sleek, premium grade aluminum. It feels sturdy and looks like it means business. Plus, it's incredibly lightweight, making it ideal for on-the-go use. One thing that sets this hub apart is its price. While similar hubs with fancy branding can burn a hole in your wallet, this unbranded gem offers the same functionality at the fraction of a cost. Let's not judge a book by its cover. This thing costed me 279 rupees. Now let's talk about the ports. This hub features 4 USB Type-A ports, and it was mentioned that only one of them support USB 3.0 data transfer speeds. The other 3 ports are compatible with USB 2.0 devices. So if you are looking for faster data transfers, make sure to use the correct port. Another neat feature of this hub is compatibility with smartphones. That's right, you can connect your smartphone directly to the hub and expand its connectivity option. It's perfect for transferring files or connecting peripherals. Now let's dive into the performance. In my testing, this hub performed admirably. The USB 3.0 port delivered fast data transfer speeds, and the USB 2 ports work seamlessly with my peripherals. Whether it was a mouse, USB Ethernet dongle, portable hard drive or other smartphones for that matter. Everything worked like charm. That's for today's review. As always, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech content. And remember, sometimes the best tech finds are the ones that fly under the radar. Until next time, stay connected.